LED headlight conversion for the sled. BeamTech's. BeamTech. Got them off Amazon, 40 bucks. Seem to be pretty solid. A couple of us are running them real quick. Comes with a little Allen wrench wrench. One thing you do need to do on the skidoos is this little connector right there. You just need to kind of file that down just a little tiny bit on both of them, and then you just index them so that they sit in there just perfect. So like I said, seem to be pretty good. They're bright. Halogen bulbs that come with the sled for sure. So we'll see how it goes. All you gotta do, really, you take your gauge cluster off. Take your gauge cluster off, pop it off, remove it. Pop your headlight. Lights out. Wire harness. Pull that back. And then you just twist and pull that out. So they just sit in there. You just twist them in and out. Should be able to see that down there. By the way, do not touch the LED part of the bulb. So handle it with on the heat sink. Okay, guys, heat sink straight up and down. Wire, like I said, you just have to grind that off just a tiny bit, and then it just goes right in. Simple as that. When you index them, you want your LEDs on each side. And so that's straight up and down. Let's see if we can see inside. So in there, you can see the LED is straight up and down. So simple as that. All right, let's see how these things look. I'll turn it on, then I'll turn the lights off. They're definitely brighter than the other ones, I'll tell you that. Well, guys, today was a quick video. Just wanted to show some LED install. Everybody does it. I know there's a million different types you can do. I've seen comments of other brands, Amazon. Running these, we haven't had too much heat yet. Don't know the outcomes long term. I don't know how long they'll last. It's Amazon. So if there's something wrong with them, you can send them back. So anyway, just wanted to say thanks for watching. Subscribe. If you have a comment, leave it down in the bottom. Remember, guys, ride hard, have fun, return safe. See you guys next time.